We all have moments. We wish we could change. We spend hours, even years, staring at our past mistakes, trying to figure out where it all went wrong. It's like a man trying to fix a broken watch by turning the hands backward, but no matter how hard you turn them, the internal gears do not change. Regret is a heavy weight that keeps you stuck in a time that no longer exists. The machinery of life is loud and indifferent. It doesn't care about your what-ifs or your excuses. Every second that passes is a gear that locks into place forever. You cannot reach inside the machine and move the teeth of the gears back. When you live in regret, you are fighting against a giant engine that you can never win against. You are losing the present while trying to rewrite the past. To heal, you must stop trying to be the mechanic of your past. Accept that the watch is broken and let it be. The energy you spend on guilt could be used to build something new. You are not defined by the minutes you lost, but by how you choose to spend the hours you still have left. Put down the tools of regret. Let the clock run its course. Life does not require you to be perfect. It only requires you to be present. Stop looking back at the shadows behind you. The sun is moving, and so should you. The best way to honor your past is to make sure your future is not wasted. Leave the broken clock behind. Your time is starting now.